Hey guys and girls, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create an account with SkipTheDishes. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it, shall we? Alright guys, on your mobile device or PC or laptop, open up any web browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. And then head on over to Google and type in SkipTheDishes. And then once you've searched for that, scroll past all these sponsors and then click onto skipthedishes.com. And then what you want to do here, this is the official site of SkipTheDishes. You want to click on the profile photo here or image, and then you want to click on sign up. So go ahead and click on sign up. This will take you to the sign up page. So scroll down and you've got a few options here. You can sign up with Google, Facebook or Apple, or you can choose to sign up with your email account. So for this demonstration, I'm going to sign up with Google. Click on Google. I'm going to click on the email address I'd like this account to be associated with. Click on confirm. And now this is going to sign me up with Google. So yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial, guys. How to sign up and create an account with SkipTheDishes. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.